Well, maybe.
Stack?
Yeah.
He's in a hurry. I think it's gonna go through Emmy fast.
It's going.
Let's track it. Oh wow. He's going fast. He's moving. He's moving. It's all set to go. That's it. Goes. Look at gauge real quick. What's that out there?
Another one.
Huh?
Another one coming out of Canada.
Alright?
Yeah.
Is it placed in south?
No.
Looked like it was.
Wasn't even close to that. It was way
Oh,
down.
flinched up?
Well, it's just way back.
Oh, wow.
I don't know.
That one's going to a Emmett, though.
Yeah.
Look at the time.
It's 4:02.
Huh?
It's 4, not 5.
I know.
I never changed my clock.
That's an early time, isn't it? Oh, wow. Is that normally time for double stack ones?
Oh.
Oh, I thought they'd come about 7, don't they?
Usually.
7 or... I think it's about... Well, they block about 6 or 7, don't they? Remember how they used to block lanes all the time?
Yeah.
It's this thing. What?
Yeah.
Lag? Yeah, I think it is a westbound. Probably is.